This is Munchkin Voice, Part 3, my attempt. 3. I burnt my finger. It hurt so bad. I had to hold it in a cup filled with freezing point water. Not fun. The reason why my finger is burned like this is because of I have glue stick, pen matches, and a candle. This is exactly what I did. I will show you. What I did because it's very serious and I don't want you to do it. As I attempt this, I am doing that because I am a brave soldier. Okay, I took the candle that is light lit up. I took the hot glue like a retard and lit it up like that. And then I put out my finger. I just blew my candle. I put out my finger like a retard would, and then burnt myself because I'm a retard like that. Now I gotta relight my candle because that candle actually smells really good, like Febreze. That looks so cool. Put it like my finger like that, because I was going to stick a little stick man on there to make a little finger face. Put it like that, like a retard. And guess what? It didn't work out anyways. Because I screamed like a little girl. I'm like, no! She's like, oh well, you're the retard who did it, so not my problem. I'm like, thanks, Mom. Actually, what it's like. Actually, if I, going my chair, I have a zipper room, I have zipper curtains, I have a zipper bed, now I have a zipper chair thanks to my ability to make chairs, gold chair covers. I have walls full of posters of my favorite bands and my favorite people, my memories, and my favorite band, Black Motionless in White, Black Girl Buzz, Masculine Danger, and Shop Shop, and so much more, etc. Things I made with my first grade buddy, an LA poster, some stuff that my friends made me, and some nuts that I made myself. Making arts and crafts, like I was doing, but on my finger. It burnt so bad. Oh crap, I just spilled water everywhere. already been